Inside Hollywood's priciest car collections. Hollywood isn't just famous for red carpets and blockbusters. It's home to some of the most jaw-dropping car collections in the world, vehicles that most of us will never even dream of touching. From vintage Ferraris to futuristic hypercars, these garages are more than storage spaces. They are carefully curated showcases of wealth, taste, and obsession. Some of these cars have histories that rival the films themselves, having raced on legendary tracks, starred in movies, or been crafted as one-of-a-kind commissions. Today, we are stepping inside these private automotive vaults to see what makes them so irresistible, why collectors chase them relentlessly, and how each vehicle tells a story of ambition, style, and extravagance. Jay Leno's Garage. Jay Leno's collection is the epitome of automotive diversity, spanning decades, continents, and engineering philosophies. Here, you find classic American muscle, rare European sports cars, and experimental prototypes that never made it into production. Leno's approach isn't just about buying, it's about understanding and preserving automotive history. Some visitors assume his collection is just for show, but every car is driven regularly, maintained meticulously, and often restored to original glory by his team. Walking through the garage, you see not just cars, but living history. Every dent, scratch, and custom modification tells a story. Leno mixes humor, mechanical insight, and sheer passion, creating an environment where the cars are almost characters themselves. Floyd Mayweather's exotic fleet. Floyd Mayweather's car collection is as flashy and audacious as the man himself, with a lineup of hypercars that seem almost unreal. Gold-plated Ferraris, Lamborghinis in custom wraps, and one-off Bentleys dominate his garage, creating a visual spectacle that perfectly mirrors his brand of extravagance. Some skeptics think such collections are purely for attention, but Mayweather's vehicles are a display of personal style, engineering marvels, and the thrill of exclusivity. Each car has been sourced for rarity and speed, often with customization so extreme it becomes a signature statement. Walking through the collection, the sense of controlled chaos is palpable. The colors, the materials, the sheer number of high-end vehicles form a narrative of ambition and flair. Ralph Lauren's timeless classics. Ralph Lauren's collection is less about flash and more about timeless elegance, showcasing cars that are as much art as transportation. From rare Bugattis to pre-war Duesenbergs, every vehicle is carefully chosen for historical importance, aesthetic perfection, and mechanical integrity. Unlike collections built purely for spectacle, Lauren's cars are displayed like fine art in a museum, but they are still functional, maintained meticulously, and occasionally driven to prove their enduring excellence. Some might assume a fashion mogul would focus solely on appearances, but his collection balances beauty, performance, and cultural significance in ways most enthusiasts can only dream of. The way the vehicles are stored, lit, and organized demonstrates a deep understanding of legacy and craftsmanship. Cristiano Ronaldo's high-performance vault. Cristiano Ronaldo's car collection mirrors his athletic persona, sleek, fast, and precision-engineered. Supercars like McLarens, Bugattis, and Rolls-Royces dominate his garage, often in bold colors or custom finishes that match his larger-than-life personality. While some might assume such collections are for show, every car demonstrates extreme attention to engineering, from engine tuning to suspension tweaks, highlighting the intersection of luxury and performance. Walking through Ronaldo's vault, it's impossible not to notice the blend of speed and exclusivity. The cars are meant to be driven, but also to signal status and achievement. Each vehicle is a symbol of personal taste, accomplishment, and adrenaline-fueled design. The Rock's powerhouse garage. Dwayne The Rock. Johnson's garage is a blend of brute force and style, much like the man himself. Muscle cars, armored SUVs, and high-end exotics coexist here, creating a collection that is as versatile as it is imposing. Some visitors expect celebrity garages to be uniform, but The Rock's collection is eclectic, reflecting both his action star persona and his real-world practicality. Vehicles are maintained to peak condition, ready for both weekend drives and high-profile appearances. What sets this garage apart is the attention to storytelling. Each car seems chosen to reflect a part of his personality, career, or lifestyle. Walking through it, you see cars that could star in movies themselves, each imbued with character, power, and the kind of presence that commands attention. For fans of performance, design, and personality-driven collections, this garage is unforgettable. J.K. of Jamiroquai, the musician's automotive. Playground J.K.'s collection is proof that passion can produce some of the most colorful and daring automotive lineups in the world. Rare Ferraris, Aston Martins, and custom creations dominate his garage, often paired with bold paint jobs and modifications that make each car unique. Some might assume the collection is purely visual, but J.K. treats it as an extension of his creativity. Each car is a statement piece, combining artistry, engineering, and the thrill of driving. The vehicles are meticulously maintained, showcasing the dedication required to keep such a diverse collection functional. Walking through the garage, the sense of whimsy and individuality is clear. The cars are not just machines, but reflections of personality and aesthetic daring. For those who love bold automotive expression, his collection offers unmatched inspiration. Floyd Mayweather Jr.'s rare hypercars. Beyond the flashy gold exotics, Mayweather also curates hypercars that push the boundaries of speed and technology. Vehicles so rare they feel like they exist in another world. Limited-run models, one-offs, and concept cars make up a vault where engineering prowess meets extreme wealth. Some might think hypercars are impractical for a collection, but in Mayweather's case, they serve as both performance machines and investment pieces, preserving value while offering the thrill of ultimate automotive achievement. Walking through this vault, the level of detail and precision is astounding, from aerodynamic designs to interior finishes. Each car showcases innovation, ambition, and a taste for the extraordinary. For those who appreciate both rarity and performance, this part of the collection demonstrates what the top echelon of automotive curation truly looks like. Floyd Mayweather's modern supercars. Even beyond the classics, Mayweather keeps an eye on modern engineering marvels. Vehicles that combine hybrid technology, extreme acceleration, and cutting-edge design. Each car represents the pinnacle of 21st century innovation, demonstrating how far performance and luxury have come. Some assume these are simply trophies, but Mayweather drives and maintains them meticulously, understanding the balance between adrenaline and prestige. Walking through the garage, the futuristic lines, carbon fiber panels, and digital cockpits make the collection feel like a museum of automotive evolution. Every car tells a story of progress, ambition, and personal taste, showing how collections can reflect both wealth and genuine passion for the craft. If exploring Hollywood's priciest car collections gave you a glimpse into a world most of us will never touch, make sure to like the video so more people can see these incredible automotive treasures. Subscribe to the channel for more insider tours of celebrity garages and ultra-luxury vehicles, and drop a comment telling me which collection you would love to step into. Your support helps keep the channel bringing rare and fascinating automotive experiences directly to you.